Welcome to this tutorial, and thank you for joining. In this video, we are going to learn how to enable spatial sound in Windows 11, a feature that improves your audio experience by creating immersive 3D sound. Let's begin the steps. First, right-click on the Start icon located at the bottom. From the list that appears, click on Settings. This will open the main Settings menu. Next, in the Settings window, click on the System section. Click on Sound to access all audio-related settings. Then, in the Output section, you will see your headphones listed. Tap on your headphone device to open its settings. After that, scroll down until you find the option labeled Spatial Sound. Finally, click on it and choose Windows Sonic for headphones. Once applied, your system will deliver a more immersive and detailed sound environment. With just a few clicks, you can enjoy deeper and clearer audio on your device. If you found this guide useful, consider subscribing to the channel, giving the video a like, and sharing it with others. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next one.